Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can configure your Android or iPhone keyboard so that you'll be able to type A and O, two special letters in the Twi alphabet that you don't find on the standard keyboard. First, to configure this on the phone, I have sent these characters to myself through an email that I'm going to copy. So let me open my email. I go to Outlook, and there I have three alphabets there. So here I highlight these two and copy so that I can paste later. So for Android, I go to WhatsApp, and as you begin to type, you see this pop up, and in the middle you find the settings icon. If you click on it, you have a lot of options, but what we are interested in here is the smart typing. And when you select it, you go down, you also have text shortcut, and here it allows you to give the keyboard some instructions. So what are we going to do? We are telling the keyboard that if we enter EEE anytime, it should interpret it as A. So we are going to paste the A sign here. I have to delete the O because that's not what I need here now. And in this, we've programmed it that any EEE sees is A. Then we add, we say CCC, and any CCC it sees should be O. So I paste again the symbols. So done. And when I add, now the computer understands that CCC stands for O, EEE stands for A. Let's see if this works. Let's go back to WhatsApp. So I begin by typing EEE space, voila, I have the A. So if I want to type something like Enye, I just go back and put the other letters there. So Agoro, how do I get the O? By typing space CCC, wunderbar. Now I have my O. I can delete the one that I don't need. So now what we've done is to tell the keyboard that anytime it sees a combination of characters, it should interpret it in another way. Of course, you could enter EEE for A, or maybe 111 for A, or a combination of characters that you feel you are comfortable with. And when you type it, all you need to do is to give a space, and then the phone converts it into the A or the O as you've configured it. So here we want A, I type and I have, yeah. So it's up to you, whichever way you instruct the phone to do this. So here, say Odo, full stop. Now, again, CCC, what do I get? Go to, I can just type the D if I want to type the word, say Odo. So that's it. And you don't need anything special. Just a summary, you open your WhatsApp, you click on the settings buttons, you select smart typing, select text shortcuts, and you press the plus sign. And in the shortcut field, you enter your CCC and you paste the O there. And you do the same thing for the A also by typing EEE or whatever you want to do to represent the A in the extended phrase thing. You are done. In case you use iPhone, you go to phone settings, you go to general, keyboard, then there's text replacement. Again, you step 5, you press the plus sign, and just like the Android, in the field of phrase, you enter your O, and in the shortcut field, you enter the CCC, and you do the same thing. Now, if you don't have the O, how do you get it? And this, I go to import it from Microsoft Word. And this is how I do it. The step one, I open Microsoft Office blank page and use the insert symbol signs to insert symbols. And this is, I demonstrate it on the screen moment. Yes. So insert, I go to symbols, then more symbols, and then I go through the symbols where it's air, I find air, I need two of them, then again insert. Now I'm looking for all. Where's all? Where's all? I go down. No, I think maybe it's up. Let's go. I go up. Yeah, that's it. And I get the all. I need two of them as well. And then I close. Now both are small letters. I need one each to be capital. So what do? That's the step two. I change the case by going to change case, uppercase, caps. And then after that, I copy and email it to myself as you saw from the beginning. So now let me show you how. So I copy the first A, then I go to home, then change case, and I say uppercase. I do the same thing with the all, and then after that, I copy and email it to myself so that I can copy it on my phone as I showed you from the beginning. And that's all you need to do. Thank you for watching.